Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Gemini Live. So let's get started. Now first, you want to make sure you're using the latest version of Gemini. Just head to your app store, search for Gemini, and update if needed. And once that's done, open the app and go to the Gemini Live. When it opens, look for the screen share icon. It usually looks like an arrow or screen symbol. You want to tap on it and you'll get options to share your screen. In most cases, you'll choose entire screen, then tap start. After that, Gemini can now see everything on your screen. From here, you can open any app like Instagram, a website, or even a photo, and just ask Gemini questions about what you're seeing. For example, you can say, "What is this?" or "Where's this place?" and Gemini will analyze it and respond instantly. You can even ask follow up questions like getting directions or more details without needing to upload anything manually. And when you're done, just tap the X button to stop screen sharing anytime. And basically, that's it. Sharing your screen in Gemini Live basically turns it into a real time visual assistant that can understand and explain anything on your phone. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.